Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Face ID, notifications, and live activities are enabled. First, open Settings and tap Face ID and passcode. Make sure notifications can show on the lock screen. Next, go to each app you'll use and enable live activities and persistent banners. Once done, force quit apps and relaunch them to register with the system. This wakes the dynamic island. If you still don't see it, restart your iPhone to finalize permission changes. Now you'll interact with the dynamic island itself. When a live activity appears, tap to open quick controls or long press to expand the full view. This is how you access richer playback and status options. Make sure to practice gestures. Swipe up to dismiss a transient item, or swipe down to reveal additional details where supported. You can run multiple activities, audio plus navigation, and the island smartly prioritizes. Use app settings to choose which services show persistent. To finish, tidy up. Close background apps that might compete for live activities and check that your iOS is up to date so Dynamic Island has the latest fixes. If an app's activity won't show, open Settings Notifications, toggle Allow Notifications and Live Activities off then on, and relaunch the app. This often resets the connection. If the island behaves oddly or the display is persistent when it shouldn't be, restart the phone, and if needed, contact Apple support because it may be a deeper software or hardware issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.